we're more than just a speaker company. We have a large factory in Texas, and we make systems that go in a wide variety of public spaces. So while Atlas does sell speakers, we're really a technology company.
We're growing in every aspect. We get up every day with the intent of taking care of two people, right? Our customers, number one, and our employees, our internal partners, number two. I live as the VP of Sales with the directive from our CEO that we are never going to be put in a position to lay off an American worker. And so that really drives a lot of our thought process and our decisions as we go forward.
The future of the company, as far as technology goes especially, is going to improve greatly. We are not just speakers and backends and racks anymore. We're full integrated systems, some of the largest paging systems and mass notification systems in the world. We know the technology is here and it's going to be here to stay, and we're going to be on the leading edge of that. And we're really excited about the future of Atlas.
I truly believe that most things being sold in just a few years will all be network connected. We're focusing on that. We have been for the last 15 years, and that's the direction we're going to keep heading.